aren't going my way, cause that would be boring. Spend my last cent on cheese and champagne. What a wonderful morning. Never mind, she declined to the first date. It was only on my birthday. Never mind all the lines on the highway. Give me time to reflect a bit, cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. Real good morning. Real good morning. I guess that things can only get better from here, but sometimes I wonder, I might have met the love of my life, but I lost a number. Never mind, she declined to the first date. I went to Vegas with a roommate. Never mind all the lines on the highway. I aim to misbehave, cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good time. Having a bad day, yeah. A real good morning. A real good morning. A real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. A real good morning. A real good morning.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of our Unlucky Rebuilds. So, as you may already know or may not know, we found some, again, rotten wood which we cut out yesterday, and now we are left with these. That's a hole, and this is it. But the biggest issue is this one. So this hole is severe, and we need to patch it somehow. So for starters, I will use Play-Doh to fill that hole, and then I will mix up some kind of an epoxy resin with some glass fibers, and we will stuck it in there. That should take a few minutes, not longer, and it should be plenty of strong for that purpose at this point. So yeah, that's the plan for today. There is a big possibility that I'm also going to fix this. It appears that we have some issues, and I have no idea why. So see this, it just pops out on a few places, and the thing is that this ain't thick as it was advertised when we bought it. So yeah, that will be also fixed today, hopefully. So stay tuned and If you like what you see, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. It would mean a lot to us. Thank you.